Chainlink on the 4-hour chart. You knew it was coming. The shirt is on. The sign is on. All lights are go. We have the fib up here on the 4-hour chart. Nice move up from our swing highs to our swing lows. Look at the 1618. We stopped right on it. Continue down. Bullish breakout so far. If we back test this level and hold, so 1870-ish or so, we hold that on the 4-hour chart, the short time frame, I would say we're going higher. How much higher? Well, if we zoom out, right, on that weekly, we talked about it last week, 2130-ish is our next target on the weekly Fibonacci scale. This is the short-term 4-hour. The 2618 on the 4-hour is way the hell up here at $23. So from where we are now, that's another 20%. So the 4-hour chart is there. Maybe we have a slight chance of getting there, but let's focus on the primary weekly macro scale. Fibonacci extension is at 2130-ish. Okay, so let's take baby steps here. But exciting times for Chainlink nonetheless, right? If you've been around, let's go take a look at the weekly chart, right? How did we end up closing? What is significant? I'm glad you asked, right? Let's look at it. Our close last week, right here. Where the hell? Closed at 1814. Why? Who cares? That's our highest close in 2 years. 2 years. 2 years, right? We go back. We can count it right here. Here's our highest weekly close before that. We got to go all the way back to January of 2021. Look, 18, right? You can make it, put it on a line chart, make it stupid simple, right? Easy, right? Look at the dot, right? Use your dot, go imagination, way over here, right? It's easy to see this, right? Draw your line, right? You don't take my word for it, right? You got to go way the hell back over here, right? And then we can see that we have not closed a candle higher than that line since right here, January, 2 years. January, 2 years since we've been this high. What does that mean? Well, anytime you're doing something for the first time in 24 damn months, the door is open for more bullish upside, okay? So good things coming for Chainlink. Came down almost to the 21-week breakout, right? That is an epic close. That's a close to the higher side. Easy, right? It's not even like, it's not pussyfooting around. Is that a bad word? With the close, right? It's clear breakout. Making up random words of the day here. So that was our clear high, right? And breakout to the high side. And we are all lights to go. What's our only concern? Not in this chart, not with nothing to do with Chainlink, certainly not to do with the damn shirts or the signs. It's Bitcoin, right? If Bitcoin decides to spoil Chainlink's party, which it likes to do, then so be it, right? Bitcoin dominance still over 52%, as you can see here. Bitcoin not doing anything today because of the DXY. The DXY is shooting up a little bit today, right? We covered that in our Telegram group this morning. If you want to learn more and get alerted to all that kind of stuff, right, consider joining our private Telegram group. You can find that through Patreon. No surprises there. We do much more content. I'll talk about Bitcoin, altcoins, DXY, market caps, stock market, everything, and more. Okay, but that's Chainlink on a brief update. Exciting times ahead for Chainlink. $20. Can we knock on the $20 wood mark? And higher highs, right? 2130 is my next target for the weekly Fibonacci scale, right? This guy right here. But make no mistake, highest closed in 2 years is substantial. All right, we'll wrap it up there with a little bit of more indicators, a little bit more. One more final thought here, right? Higher low, right? Look at the cross off of the bounce here. Momentum gaining traction to the upside, stochastic RSI for weekly Chainlink. Not only that, but you have a confirmation backup of that of the Fisher transform. If you're not using this, you better use it. It's one of my favorite indicators, right? Look at this, higher low matching this. Good sign, weekly cross, buy signal to the upside. Hell yeah, right? Just wanted to throw that out there. Good times ahead, as long as Bitcoin doesn't crash our party, right? Bitcoin just does this. Hey, Chainlink can, party on. We all get flannel, and we'll all meet at our, Blue McLaren meetup in a couple of years. All right. Quote of the day. what we really are matters more than what people think of us, right? Just be a good person, you son of a biscuit. All right, car of the day featuring the one and only my son and a Ferrari F8 Aperta. Couldn't get that word out. Aperta. What does Aperta mean? It means open, right? Open top, right? Notice it. They don't call it spiders anymore. I think McLaren does, and maybe occasional Ferrari from back in the day. But now it's Aperta. We got to get more proper. So there he is, blue sweatshirt matching the blue car. Why not? We got a Audi R8 in the background right here. This is dark blue, and he's got blue brakes on. I know you can't really see it, but this is a pretty good spec R8. I've never seen one like that. Let's see if I got any more pictures. I think I got my daughter here in the photo as well. She seems real happy to be there. I think I got a couple more. Here's the purple McLaren 570S. They're both posing, cheesing out, doors up, as it should be. That's pretty good spec too. I don't know about the yellow headlights. That's a little sketch, but 2 kids in a McLaren, that works out. And for the bonus of the day, we got the rat dog Chihuahua. His rescue, his legs are off the ground. I don't know why he sits like that. He's psycho, but there you go. That's in the back of my car, and he's just waking up for a nap. So if he looks confused, I didn't beat him. I didn't throw him back there. He just rides with me to pick up the kids. So that's it. All right, I'll end it there. And Chainlink shirts. The shirt's on, right? Bulls on, shirts on.